asked us for help in reopening a sustainable circular society.
But the reality is that there is no such society. Thus, the question we ask is, how might we create a circular and sustainable society for us all? We believe that the first step is to realize that we do have common goals and that we can collaborate for the benefit of the whole. Before going further, it is important that we first understand how we created the current problems and society we live in. As human beings, we are resilient, creative, and loving, where we used to live in deep connection with nature and one another in small tribes. The more we developed, though, the more we became disconnected. Take the Industrial Revolution as an example, an era where we abandoned our craft and human values and became more mechanistic in our way of thinking. This created great wealth and technological advancements while simultaneously leading to huge climate and societal problems. The mechanistic mindset is rooted in division, control, and linearity. Thus, the more we try to innovate using this mindset, the more problems we will create. As Albert Einstein said, we cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. What's needed then is a paradigm shift, a new way of thinking and relating to the world and one another. A shift from the mechanistic to the ecological paradigm, where we connect instead of disconnect, where we build bridges instead of walls, and where we collaborate instead of compete. Instead of a solution-based approach, Futrli proposes a process-based action design research to discover ways to move towards an alternative future. By using the transition design framework, we, Futrli, facilitate and consult the process to find win-win strategies to drive the development of a circular city in Lyngby. To do this, we invite 5 key stakeholders: Alfa Laval, ESSA, Lengager, Ramboll, and Lyngby Science City to co-create a prototype of a circular society, as we believe that the competencies these parties hold have the potential to create societal impact while benefiting the firms at the same time. As an example, Alfa Laval can learn new ways to develop circular business models while exploring potential new clients. Ramboll can develop and test solutions aimed at ensuring better air quality while discovering the incentives and structures needed to drive cities and municipalities to act. The Lengager Group can have access to facilities from partners to develop their textile solutions while helping the city redesign its built environment. ESSA can learn in collaboration with a thriving community how to use and transform satellite data as a means to monitor and develop new solutions that aid at the continuous development and monitoring of the city. Lastly, Lyngby will not only get strategic partners to develop sustainable retails, but also get an opportunity to achieve the vision of driving the city towards a top knowledge and innovation center. During our preliminary work, we used the social pathway matrix to explore solutions that tackle the individual, systemic, and cultural dimensions of the city, taking into consideration the 5 key partners. Some possible solutions that arose include a material tracking system for waste management and the possibility to co-design the regulations and policies needed for a clean, resource-driven society. We invite you to discover more details about the project from our blog post and look forward to working together on this visionary project.